name's Jaynisha and I'm the dental hygienist and dental therapist here at Smile Stylist. So as a dental hygienist, we aim to prioritise your oral health. We do this by providing a range of treatments like scale and polish and periodontal therapy, which can help with moderate to progressive gum disease, as well as much more. So I'm just popping on here to give you some useful tips on how you can maintain a clean and healthy mouth. So tip number one is, if you don't already, definitely get yourself an electric toothbrush. They're much more effective at removing plaque than a manual toothbrush. When selecting an electric toothbrush, we usually suggest you have one with a round head because it's small, it can cusp around the tooth a little bit better and get into more areas of the mouth. We usually suggest having a pressure sensor, so a light that lights up if you're pressing too hard. So as you can see, if I'm pressing at the right pressure, it's green. If I'm pressing too hard, it goes red. This is really ideal for you to avoid scrubbing at your teeth and wearing away any enamel, which can cause sensitivities in the future. So tip number two is mouthwash. Now there is a time and place where mouthwash can be useful, but as long as it's not used as an alternative to brushing. And if you do want to use it, we do recommend you don't use it straight after brushing. Let the toothpaste sit onto your teeth and sink in so it can do its benefits. If you want to use it, maybe using it before brushing or at an alternative time, wait at least 30 minutes until after brushing to use any mouthwash. But something that can give you way more benefits brings me to tip number three, using something to clean in between your teeth at least once a day. This is not only great for preventing gum disease, but also preventing any decay that may be developing in between your teeth. So I know there's a lot of options out there like interdental brushes, floss, water flossers, rubber picks. So it's really important that you go to the hygienist so we can tell you what you need to be using, how to use them effectively and how often to use them, and give you a tailored routine that suits your specific needs. And finally, tip number four, coming to see me regularly. So having a healthy mouth not only helps with your oral hygiene, but also helps in reducing risk of other systemic diseases going on in the body. So regular hygienes are really important, not only to keep a confident smile, but also help with your overall health. Hope that helped, and I hope to see you soon at your next hygiene visit.